Hi there, I'm Bonnie Muirhead with BonnieAppetit.com, and today I'm going to show you how to cook with baby summer squash. So we've got to work with our little patty pan squashes today, and the beauty of baby summer squash is that they're really tender, they're really flavorful. You don't have to do too much to them to make them taste any better than they already do. So what I'm going to do is just cut them in half. Since they're so little, you don't have to cut them any further. And again, you don't want to overcook squash. Once it gets soggy, it gets really bitter, and this goes for baby squash as well. So I've got my pan heating with some canola oil, and we're just going to pan roast these little guys. So you want your oil to be pretty hot. If you can see, it's starting to smoke just a little bit, so that's the perfect temperature. I'm just going to carefully place these in the pan. Be very careful when you do this. The oil can jump out and get you. Make sure your little kids aren't around, because this can definitely hurt if it pops. So I just want them to all be even and cook on the flesh side. Carefully put all these in here. Just like that. So this is about the color golden you want it to turn. That took about 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, so we're just gonna quickly add some grated Parmesan cheese while these are still warm. And add some toasted breadcrumbs. I toasted these with just a little bit of oil mixed in and just slowly stirred them until they started to turn brown. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of parsley. And finally, just season with a little salt and pepper. This is a great side dish for any meal. Once again, I'm Bonnie Muirhead, and I've just shown you how to cook with baby summer squash. Now go cook.